Hi, so glad you're here. It's me, Wyatt. Welcome to Storybook Village, where all our fairy tale friends live.
Today, I'm meeting my friends at the beach. Wanna come? Let's go! Ah, the beach. Hi, guys.
Hi, Wyatt.
I'll be there in 1 second. I just need to change it to my swimsuit.
Okay, Wyatt.
I just adore the beach.
Me too. I could work on my sandcastle all day.
I'm back. Wow, awesome sandcastle, Pig.
Thanks. Whoa, is that a surfboard?
Yup, I love surfing the waves.
Wow.
Look what I found washed up on the beach. A bottle with a note inside. Oh my peas. What does the note say?
A surprise on the beach has been hidden for you. When you find the surprise, you'll know what to do. A surprise? Wow!
Yeah, wow.
Where could it be?
Wait, I don't see a surprise.
Me neither. Double drats, how do we find our surprise?
This is a super big problem. And a super big problem needs us, the Super Readers. We need to call the rest of the Super Readers. Call them with me. Say, calling all Super Readers.
Calling all Super Readers.
To the book club.
To the book club.
Come on, to the book club. Wyatt here.
P is for pig. Red Riding Hood rolling in.
Princess P, at your service.
And you, say your name. Great, we're all here.
Together, we will solve our problem. Let's go!
Okay, Wyatt, state our problem.
Red found a note at the beach, and it said that we have a surprise.
It sure did.
Yippee!
But we don't know how to find it. How can we find our surprise?
That's our question.
When we have a question, we look.
In a book. What book should we look in?
Peas and carrots, carrots and peas. Book come out, please, please, please.
Let's read the title of this book.
The Beach Day Mystery.
We know what to do. We need to jump into this book
And find the answer to our question.
First, we look for super letters. And then put them in our super duper computer. Super duper computer, how many super letters do we need?
Wow! In this story, we need 12 super letters.
And then we'll get our super story answer. It's time to transform. Ready?
Ready!
Arms in. Put your arm in. Super readers,
To the rescue! Alpha Pig with alphabet power! Wonder Red with word power!
Princess Presto with spelling power.
Super You with the power to help. Together we are
The Super Readers!
Y-Flyers. We're ready to fly into this book.
Super Readers,
To the rescue!
it's time to fly with the Super Readers, 'cause we've got a problem to solve. Super Readers,
To the rescue!
Super Readers, working together with powers to read. In the books we fly to find the super story answer. It's super wide. Super Readers,
To the rescue!
Presto! Oh, we're in the book, The Beach Day Mystery.
Let's read. Y-Writer, highlight. Read with me.
Once there were two pirates named Piper and Pascal.
Ahoy!
Piper and Pascal found a bottle with a note.
Shiver me timbers, it's a note.
The note said there was a surprise.
This note says there's a surprise for us. But how can we find it? That's what we want to know.
And that, Super Readers, is why we are in this book.
We all want to know how to find our surprise.
To the pirates!
Hi, pirates. We're the Super Readers.
Ahoy there, Super Readers!
What was that?
Greetings, pirates and other beach dwellers. It is I, Briny Bart, the trickiest pirate of them all. And I'm the trickiest parrot of them all, right? I'll tell you how to find your surprise by figuring out my clue. But it's such a tricky clue, you'll never figure it out. Never!
We can figure out the clue.
The clue says, time to find your surprise. Ready or not, follow the alphabet letters to X marks the spot.
Follow alphabet letters? But we're pirates. We don't know the alphabet.
How will we find X marks the spot if we don't know the alphabet?
Arrgh.
Alpha Pig, to the rescue! With my amazing alphabet tools, I can follow the alphabet and find X marks the spot. We can use my mega magnifying glass. Look! Little notes with the alphabet letters. We need to follow them. They're uppercase and lowercase. Come on! A, B, C. Oh, my chinny chin chin! Here's the uppercase D, but where is the lowercase d? There! There's the lowercase d. D! We're learning the alphabet. Oh, yeah. Let's follow the D path. D, E, F, G, H, I. Here's an uppercase J. So where's the lowercase j? There! There's the lowercase j. J! High five, Piper! Come on, keep looking for the X. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, Okay, it's an uppercase V. Where's the lowercase v?
There!
There's the V. V! Follow the V. V, W, X, Y, Z.
X?
X! 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 Oh, yeah! The X! That's what we were looking for all along. Lickety letters! We followed the alphabet letters and found X marks the spot. Let's give ourselves a big thumbs up.
Wow, there it is! Arg! Look, Super Readers, under the X. That must be our surprise. Let's dig it out. A princess is always prepared.
Arg! Don't forget to look out for super letters. Arg! Arg! You see super letters? Which letters did you find?
N-E-U.
Let's put them in our super duper
Computer!
9 more super letters, and then we'll get our super story answer. Super job, super readers.
Hooray!
Arr!
Ah!
You figured out my clue. Well, I won't let you have the surprise yet. Look, what's over there? A tap-dancing chicken!
Hey! Briny Bart took the surprise! Ah!
Briny Bart.
Guess what, mates? I hid the surprise again. And this time, I have an even trickier clue. Here's your new clue to find the surprise. But you'll never figure it out. Never! Never!
Let's read it. If you want the surprise, get your shovel and pail. Dig under the creature that rhymes with tail.
Rhymes with tail? We have to rhyme? But we're pirates. We don't know how to rhyme.
Arg!
How will we find the surprise if we don't know how to rhyme?
Wonder Rat to the rescue!
With my Wonder Words basket, I can find something around here that rhymes with tail. And then we can find the surprise. Tail is an ale word, and I love ale words. It's time to rhyme. Ale, tail, mail, wonderific, you're terrific, bale, snail, hail, wonderific, you're terrific, ale. Here's another ale word. Okay, what letter is this? S. S. And what sound does S make? S. S. And what letter is this?
N.
N. And what sound does N make?
Mm.
Mm. And together, what sound do S and N make?
Sn.
Sn. And we know this part says ale. Sn, ale. What word is this?
Snail.
Snail. Does snail rhyme with tail? Yes. Okay, let's see. Where do you see a snail?
There!
There's a snail. Wonderific. You are terrific. To the snail.
our super letters? Which ones?
R-A-U-E.
R-A-U-E. Let's put them in our super duper computer. 5 more super letters, and then we'll get our super story answer. Right on, readers.
Arg.
Come on, Pascal. Keep digging. Slippy, I don't see the surprise.
Arr!
Ah!
I gave you the wrong clue. You'll never figure it out. Never, never, never!
Arg. This is terrible. Briny Bart gave us the wrong clue. Just look at our story. Briny Bart gives the wrong clue. We can't find the surprise if we have the wrong clue. What can we do? Arg! Super Wide to the rescue! With the power to read, I can change this story and save the day.
Let's change the word wrong in this sentence. Zap! Why, writer? Right. Super readers, which word is the opposite of wrong? If it's not wrong, it's bad, right, or tricky. Let's try right. Which is the word right? It starts with an R.
There!
There's the word right. Zap! Let's read it and see what happens. Briny Bart gives the right clue.
Ah, okay. Here's the right clue.
Let's read the right clue. Grab your shovel, roll up your sleeves, and dig under something that's tall and brown with 3 leaves.
That palm tree is tall and brown with 3 leaves. That must be where the surprise is. Let's dig. Ha-ha! Shiver me timbers! We found the surprise!
Super job, super readers! We got the right clue and found the surprise.
The surprise is treasure! Gold, jewels, coins. Oh! I do love treasure!
You see super letters? Which ones?
R-S-T-H-T.
R, S, T, H, and another T? Oh, yeah! Let's put them in our super duper
Computer!
We found all of our super letters. Now we can get our super story answer.
Thanks for helping us find our surprise.
You're welcome.
Goodbye, Pirates. Bye, Super Readers.
Why Flyers? Back to the book club.
We found the super story answer with Super Wide.
Super duper computer! Give us our super story answer.
Read with me. T, R-E-A-S-U-R-E space H-U-N-T. Treasure hunt. The super story answer is treasure hunt.
But why?
Because to find their surprise, Piper and Pascal had to go on a treasure hunt.
So our question is, how can we find our surprise?
And the answer is
Treasure hunt!
Our note must be the start of a treasure hunt. And the treasure hunt will lead us to our surprise. Let's go! Okay, let's look at that note again. Hey, wait a second. Teeny tiny writing. There is a hidden clue. Walk 3 giant steps from the tallest tree, and X marks the spot is what you will see.
Let the treasure hunt begin with the tallest tree on the beach. Come on!
We found the tallest tree! We found the tallest tree!
Now 3 giant steps.
1, 2, 3! There's an X. X marks the spot, like in the story.